Did you know that nearly all your online activity relies on a hidden world beneath the waves? It's true. Over 99% of international internet traffic travels through a vast network of undersea cables. These cables, spanning thousands of miles across ocean floors, are the invisible backbone of our digital age. They carry everything from emails and video calls to social media posts and financial transactions. Imagine a world without these underwater information highways. Global communication as we know it would grind to a halt. We wouldn't be able to share news, ideas, or connect with loved ones across continents with such ease. The internet, as we experience it today, simply wouldn't exist. These cables are more than just technological marvels. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with one another. They represent a global effort, with companies and countries collaborating to maintain this critical infrastructure. So the next time you send a message or stream a video, remember the unseen world beneath the waves, silently working to keep us connected. These undersea cables aren't thick, clunky ropes. They're surprisingly slender, often no thicker than a garden hose. Inside you won't find copper wires like in traditional electrical cables. Instead, they house hair-thin optical fibers made of pure glass. These fibers transmit data as pulses of light. It's like sending Morse code messages but at the speed of light. The light travels through the glass fibers with minimal loss of signal, even over vast distances. This allows for incredibly fast and efficient data transfer across continents and oceans. But how does the light stay confined within these thin strands of glass? It's all thanks to a phenomenon called total internal reflection. The light bounces back and forth within the fiber, guided along its path. It's like a miniature light show happening inside the cable, carrying your data across the ocean floor. To maximize data carrying capacity, engineers employ a clever trick called dense wavelength division multiplexing, or DWDM. Imagine a highway with multiple lanes, each carrying a different stream of traffic. DWDM does the same thing with light. Multiple wavelengths or colors of light are sent through the same fiber optic cable. Each color carries a separate data stream, allowing for a massive amount of information to be transmitted simultaneously. It's like having thousands of conversations happening on the same cable, all at the speed of light. But even light needs a little help sometimes. Over long distances, the light signal can weaken. That's where repeaters come in. These devices are placed along the cable at regular intervals, boosting the light signal to ensure it reaches its destination. Think of them as relay racers, passing the data baton along the ocean floor. Laying these cables is no small feat. It's a complex and delicate operation, often compared to performing surgery on the ocean floor. Specialized ships equipped with advanced technology are used to carefully lay the cable on the seabed. The cable itself is engineered to withstand the harsh conditions of the deep ocean. It's wrapped in layers of steel armor, protective polymers, and even copper tubing to prevent damage from fishing gear, anchors, and even shark bites. The cable must also be buried in certain areas to further protect it from potential hazards. Maintaining these cables is equally challenging. When a cable is damaged, perhaps by an earthquake or a ship's anchor, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. Remotely operated vehicles or ROVs equipped with cameras and robotic arms are sent down to locate and repair the damage. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the dedication of the engineers and technicians who keep these vital communication lifelines operational. Section 5. Guardians of the Global Network. Who owns and maintains this vast underwater network? It's not a single entity, but a collaborative effort involving telecommunications companies, governments, and increasingly, tech giants. Companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon are investing heavily in undersea cables to support their data centers and cloud computing services. These tech giants are driven by the insatiable demand for faster internet speeds and greater bandwidth. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of technology, developing new cable designs and laying longer cables to connect continents with even greater capacity. They recognize that in our increasingly interconnected world, data is king, and these undersea cables are the pipelines of the digital economy. But it's not just about profits. These cables also play a crucial role in disaster relief efforts. When natural disasters strike, severing terrestrial communication lines, undersea cables often remain operational, providing a vital link to the outside world. They enable emergency responders to coordinate relief efforts, families to connect with loved ones, and governments to disseminate critical information. Section 6. The Tech Titans Underwater Realm. Google, in particular, has been a frontrunner in the undersea cable race. They've invested in numerous cable projects, including the Curie cable connecting Chile to Los Angeles and the Dunant cable linking the United States to France. These cables are designed to handle massive amounts of data traffic, supporting Google's cloud services and future-proofing their infrastructure. Facebook has also been actively expanding its undersea cable portfolio. They've partnered with other companies on projects like the Maria cable connecting the United States to Spain, and the Havfru cable linking the United States to Ireland and Denmark. These cables are essential for supporting Facebook's growing user base and their data-intensive applications like live video streaming. These investments highlight the strategic importance of undersea cables for tech giants. As they continue to expand their global reach and offer data-hungry services, these cables become even more critical to their operations. The competition to lay faster, higher-capacity cables is fierce, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of engineering. Section 7. A new age of connectivity dawns. While undersea cables have long been the backbone of the internet, a new contender has emerged: satellite internet. Companies like SpaceX, with their Starlink project, are launching constellations of thousands of satellites into low Earth orbit, promising to deliver high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. Satellite internet has the potential to bridge the digital divide, connecting communities that lack access to traditional wired infrastructure. It offers a solution for areas with challenging terrain, or where laying cables is not economically feasible. This technology could revolutionize internet access, particularly in developing countries and underserved communities. However, satellite internet also faces challenges. Latency, the delay in data transmission, is typically higher than with fiber optic cables. This can affect real-time applications like video conferencing and online gaming. Weather conditions can also interfere with satellite signals, potentially disrupting service. Section 8. The Future of Data, a Tale of Two Technologies. So, what does the future hold for undersea cables and satellite internet? It's not a matter of one replacing the other, but rather a future where both technologies coexist and complement each other. Undersea cables will likely remain the backbone of the internet for the foreseeable future, thanks to their high capacity, low latency, and reliability. Satellite internet will play an increasingly important role in expanding internet access to underserved areas and providing redundancy in case of cable outages. It's a promising technology with the potential to bridge the digital divide and bring the benefits of the internet to more people around the world. The future of data transmission is bright, driven by innovation and a relentless pursuit of faster, more reliable connectivity. Whether it's whispers of light traveling across the ocean floor or beams of data bouncing off satellites in space, the quest to connect our world is an ongoing journey, full of exciting possibilities.